Hey everyone, and welcome back to Woodshop Junkies. Earlier this week I checked my channel and it has reached 10,000 subs. This is amazing and something I really didn't expect when I started my little hobby shop or hobby channel. So I just wanted to make this video to thank each and every person for all the views, the subs, the positive input I've been getting on all the videos. You know, it wasn't always easy. And fix these nuts. But then these nuts. But all the positive feedback really makes it worth the effort. So once again, thank you so much for all the support the channel has been getting. Also, I wanted to take this opportunity to just do a little shop update, give you guys an idea why some of the videos may be taking a little bit longer than others, what I'm working on currently, and also in the future maybe use the opportunity to make any announcements that affect the workshop or the shop going forward. So I would like to do these kind of videos a little bit more often, just to keep everybody in the loop. Now, as the majority of you are probably aware, or should be aware, is that the last couple of weeks most of my efforts has been focused on building this bench. If you can remember what my shop looked like, or you know what the shop looked like before I started building this bench, you'll know that there was a definite need for something like this, and it has already started making my life much simpler, giving me more space to move around in the shop. I've got about 2 meters on that side which is clear, which I can use for future expansions, maybe get a bandsaw or something like that can be kept in that area now. As for the planning on this side or stuff that still needs to be done, here at the back there's a cavity behind the table saw that I want to install my dust extraction. I'm just working on sizing it down a little bit to allow it to fit in the space I allowed there, and then I also obviously want to add a router here. So the idea is that the dust extraction port will be coming out of the bench here and can be shared between the planer, the miter saw and the router, which the extraction will obviously be attached to the fence, and then the fence that I install here be shared between the router, the table saw and the miter saw. So that's 2 videos on their own, and then also I'm hoping to add a finishing up video and just add some of the finishing touches, the power layout for the bench and stuff like that. Also, there's been a lot of suggestions in the videos for each installation, and I really I really do consider all of them and hope to add some of those suggestions in the finishing touches video of the bench. Most of them have been on the miter saw and the compressor installation. Some of them I didn't think of myself, so I thanks again for all the input and the feedback on these videos. Alright, so as for some of the more frequently made comments or asked questions, I'm getting a lot of comments about my accent or people asking me where I'm from. So I live with my beautiful fiance, our 2 dogs and our cat, who's a bit of an ass but we love him anyway, in the suburbs of Cape Town, South Africa. A lot of people have also been asking me about glue. Why am I not using glue to assemble the bench? Well, at this stage the bench is still very much a prototype, and I want to maybe at some stage still change 1 or 2 things, you know, as I go along, or change my design or whatever the case may be. The planer, for example, I am looking at buying a new planer, and the chances that the new planer will have the same dimensions as the old one is unlikely, which means I'm going to have to modify the bed that the planer is on. A lot of people have also been asking me how I'm finding my table saw, my Makita MLT 100 table saw or my Metabo miter saw. And you know, with power tools, the saying that you get what you pay for could not be more true. You know, the Metabo miter saw, for example, it is by no means the best saw in its class, but it is definitely the best saw you're going to get for what the saw costs. But if you would like more information about these 2 saws, I did write more detailed reviews which are on woodworkjunkie.com, and I will put the links to these reviews in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Some of you have also been mentioning that the sound quality on some of my videos is lacking. You know, like I said, I haven't really invested in proper recording equipment because I didn't expect the channel to grow like it did and so many people to be interested in my videos. So, noted. I will be getting a better mic for the camera, and the sound quality issues should be sorted out within the next few videos. So just before I sign off, just two quick announcements. In the next few days I'm probably going to be taking off or removing the trailer for Woodshop Junkies because I don't really believe the trailer does the channel any justice anymore. I am working on a new one that I will be putting up once the bench is complete. And secondly, not too long ago I asked a very talented designer who also happens to be my brother to design, it's about 10 or 11 t-shirts for me to wear in my videos, and they turned out so well we decided to set up an online shop and make these shirts available for purchase. The shop is not set up yet, but we are still doing a bit of research on the best way to do it, but in the meantime, here are some of the examples of what he came up with. Now, as soon as the store is set up, we're also going to take a look at doing a channel giveaway where we give away a couple of these shirts to you guys. So, keep a lookout for that. And in the meantime, I would love to hear your opinion on the designs or the idea. Any input you have would be very much appreciated. So just drop it down below in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you guys soon.